Here I'm coming with my another video of array structure. So today's my question is write a program to display the details of the five students. So first I create a header file, then give the maximum number of the array size. Then I define a structure to store the student detail. For then, struct student, a user-defined data structure which hold the student information. Inside of student information, I take name, roll number, and marks. Marks of three subjects like maths, English, and science. Uh, with in name, I use char because name is in character, and for roll number, I use int because roll number is always in a integer form, and marks for which I again take a int because marks is in marks is always in a integer form. Then I take a void display student function that prints the student details. Then I take a struct student as an argument and display the student's name, roll number, and marks of three subjects. After that, I declare a variable uh, int n choice and I, where n is the number of student entered by user and choice is used for the menu driven system, and then both search name and roll number is a variable for searching a student. Then I use a printf function to enter the number of student and scanf modulus d and ampersand n for the user input. Then I input a student details for which I use a for loop to run the loop n, n times to collect the student details. After that, I again take a printf function to enter the details of for the student. Again, I take a printf function to print the name and scanf to uh, e- take a user input. Similarly, again, I take a printf function for roll number. Again, scanf for user input. Again, I take a printf function for marks in maths. Similarly, I take printf function and scanf function. I make a menu for searching for which I use do while loop for create a menu for searching and displaying the data. And loop runs until the user select the exit option 4. Then I take a switch case uh, in which the first case is um, printf enter the name to search um, in, inside which the user uh, inputs a name to search, and loop runs to compare the each student name using the strcmp, which is string compare. If the match is found, the student details is displayed using student display student, and if if no match is found, the message is print that student name with uh, anything is not found. After that, again I take a case 2, uh, inside which I take a printf function to enter the roll number to search. Similarly, uh, similarly as the case one, if the student roll number is not found, then the message is display. And in case 3, I use a printf function to display the all student data, and I use a loop through all students and call the display student to print each student's detail. And lastly, in case 4, I use printf function to exit the program. Uh, so it ex- exit end the loop and exit the program, and default printf function invalid choice, please try again. It means it catches the invalid menu inputs and prompts the user to try again. And lastly, while choice is not equals to 4, it means loop continues until the user selects option 4. So I'll show you the output. Say I'm taking 5 students, enter the name. Suppose I take A, B, C, D, roll number 20, maths mark 45, English marks 87, and in science 67. See, it gives the second student detail. Here I'm giving XYZ, roll number 34. Similarly, again I'm giving PQR, roll number 15. So I'm giving a 1 in my choice. So I'm search with the name. Suppose I search PQR. Okay. See, it gives the details of PQR, roll number 14, marks. Okay. If I give 3, then it show me the all the students' name roll number, marks, and if I give 4, then program end. So thank you.